It's a beautiful day in Christchurch. Today I'm going to be doing a backyard bike check on my 2020 Specialized Turbo Levo. This is the Comp alloy model with the 700 watt-hour battery, and it's a size small. The fork is a Fox Factory 36 Grip 2, lengthened 10 mils to 160 mils travel. My favorite upgrade is definitely the Vorsprung Smashpot coil conversion. The adjustable bottom out resistance is hydraulic, and at 73 kg I'm running the 50-pound spring. The shock is a Fox DHX2 coil with a 500-pound spring. In the cockpit we have Renthal Fatbars trimmed to 760 mils wide, RaceFace Half Nelson grips, and the Specialized Conceal Carry tool in the steer tube. The brakes are Sram Guide REs with 200 mil rotors front and rear. I'm running the Bennies flat pedals and the Specialized 2FO shoes. The rear tire is a Maxxis DHF 2.5 double down casing, MaxTerra compound, and also running CushCore. The front tire is a 2.5 inch Assegai MaxGripp downhill casing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care and stay positive.